Today we're at the Halifax Hotel on Albert Road in Blackpool, and this is a twin room. As you can see, you've got a double bed and we've got a single bed. There's a window there and light, both work. Good pillows. And let's have a look at the bed. Yeah, clean. Yeah. Nice little pillow, cushion, shall I say. And a chair. And a bin. And a spare bag as well. Floor looks clean. Let's check this one, shall we? Yeah, that one's clean as well. And of course we've got lights up here as well. Both work. And we got tea, coffee, milks, and some biscuits, digestives, and some custard creams, bottle of water, cups, and kettle. Kettle looks clean as well. And the mirror. Hi guys. Plug socket with USB. And a set of drawers. With a Bible. All empty. Yay. And another window. Radiator. Wardrobe. Good space. And that's my view. Nice picture on the wall there. Let's take a look in the bathroom, shall we? So, yeah. And then you've got the thing to turn the shower on. Another bin there. A little mirror. Got a shaver's light. Yeah, works. And then we've got bacteria hand wash. Toilet roll. Clean toilet. Clean sink. Good shower. Clean in there, sweet. Looks all clean in there. Right. Floor looks clean. Work on the back of the door. So yeah, and they've got a TV. Make sure it works. Yeah.
No, you got a U and an N.
Right, that works fine.
What's the word, Johnny?
So.
C.
Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, I forgot, there's hair and body wash and a little soap, couple of towels, and of course floor towel cover for this thingy. So yeah, right, so please remember to like, share, and for those of you who haven't subscribed, would be grateful if you could, because there's about 90% of you that watch but aren't subscribed. Help me get out in the YouTube world. I need those 1,000 subscribers. Come on, people. Please support. I'll be very grateful. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.